Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you how to fix iPhone camera app freezing. Undoubtedly, iPhone's camera app has been continuously enhanced with an increasing array of both practical and impressive features. You tap the camera icon at the lock screen or the home screen, expecting to capture pictures and videos. However, the iPhone is stuck on the camera app. Both front and back camera don't take a photo upon the button push. The screen goes black, or the camera app won't close. Sometimes a restart can fix it, but the camera app freezing problem keeps coming back. If this sounds familiar to you, fret not. An iPhone stuck on camera app is a common issue that can be addressed through several techniques. Keep watching. Why does the camera app freeze on your iPhone? Before diving into the solutions, it's vital to understand the typical causes behind the issues. Here are a few common factors. Camera app glitch. Storage issues like low memory space. Overloaded system due to many operating apps. Potential bugs coming with a new software update. Conflicts from other default or third-party apps. Hot device body. Damage to the camera lens or other component parts. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to unfreeze an iPhone stuck on the camera. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until the camera app goes back to normal and works again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Force close the camera app. This is the quickest solution when any app freezes or causes your iPhone to crash. Here's what to do. Swipe up from the bottom to open App Switcher. In an iPhone with a home button, double-click the home button. Locate the camera app's preview card. Then, swipe it up to force quit the camera app on iPhone. The camera screen should unfreeze. Reopen the camera app and see if it works normally now. 2. Stop all background running apps. When too many apps are active simultaneously in the background, it can cause the camera app to hang or become stuck. To close all background running apps, wake up the app switcher. Swipe up each app card to close them one by one. Once completed, tap anywhere back to the home screen and reopen the camera app. Check if it helps the camera run smoothly. 3. Force the device to reboot. This means to press a sequence of buttons to do a power cycle without screen interaction. It's helpful when the iPhone camera keeps freezing up and the screen is unresponsive. To do that, press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down. Keep holding the side key. Ignore the slide to power off message if it shows up. After around 15 to 30 seconds, an Apple logo will appear. Let go of the side key and let your iPhone start up. As the timing to press the buttons is a little tricky, try it a couple of times if you fail. Now, you should manage to fix camera freezing issues on your iPhone. To prevent the camera app from lagging or freezing again, regularly restart your iPhone and ensure that your iPhone has sufficient free storage space. 4. Inspect the app where you use the camera. Some users say the iPhone gets stuck when accessing the camera through an app. To fix this issue, make sure the app has permission to use camera. You can check it out by going to Settings, Privacy, Security, and Camera. Once confirmed, close the app then relaunch it. If the camera still keeps crashing on iPhone, update the app to the most recent version. No updates for the app? Then, uninstall the app then reinstall it. If the uninstallation helps unfreeze an iPhone frozen on the camera screen, then you should delete it and find an alternative one. Besides, third-party camera apps may disrupt the function of the default iPhone camera app. To ensure smooth camera performance, consider uninstalling any such apps on the device. 5. Let the iPhone run the latest iOS. To have the newest update installed on your device, you can do it over the air or using iTunes or Finder. Here, we'll show you the former to fix iPhone frozen on camera app. Navigate to the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Next, hit the Software Update option. Now, it should be saying Checking for Update. If a new iOS version is available after the check is complete, tap Download and Install, then follow the on-screen prompts to begin the upgrade process. If the message indicates that your device is already using the latest iOS version, proceed to the next method. 6. Reset all settings on iPhone. If the device works fine but the camera app gets stuck only, it may indicate that some configurations related to the camera make it freeze. To restore the camera app settings to their defaults, it's required to reset all settings. No data or media are deleted. Here's how to do it. Open Settings, then navigate to tab General. Scroll down to the bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset, and it'll present you with a list of reset options. From there, choose Reset All Settings. To confirm, enter the passcode, and the reset process will initiate shortly. After the camera app's settings are reset, open it to see if it stops freezing and can take pictures or videos properly now. 7. Contact support online or visit Genius Bar. If your iPhone remains protected by warranty or AppleCare, consult with Apple online first. See if there is any troubleshooting step you can attempt when an iPhone gets stuck on camera. Sometimes, the customer service representatives will tell you it's required to do a hardware inspection. In this case, take a close look at your iPhone's camera module and see if it's shattered or fogged up with water. Then, bring your iPhone to an authorized service provider for the most trustworthy assistance. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone stuck on a camera app. Thank you for watching. You should now get the camera to work again. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.